Our world is now populated by billions of people. Most of the world's population is found crowded in or around large cities. In many cities, more than 700,000 people commute daily. These people are continually infecting one another, and there is one factor that we can be sure of, this being that modern transport systems allow pathogens, bacteria, fungi and viruses, to pass across communities more rapidly than ever before. This means that we share our lives with millions upon millions of pathogens. And it is estimated that 21 billion pathogens inhabit our cars, and often these pathogens can be highly dangerous, especially to individuals with pure immunity. And the bacteria and viruses which are found are hepatitis, norovirus, MRSA and E. coli, to name but a few. As we know, pathogens can now be transported around the world in a matter of hours, and we should be very concerned about how easily infections are transported, and we should be doing all that we can to prevent pandemics. Often, the disinfection procedures we use offer only very limited short-term benefits, as disinfection is only effective for a matter of minutes, and after cleaning surfaces, they often become rapidly recolonized. For example, as soon as a room has been disinfected, the surfaces can be recolonized with pathogens as soon as a person walks across a carpet, opens a curtain, sits on a settee, or touches a surface. Of course, nearly all surfaces are prone to contamination, even in this modern room. Now let us have a look at the remote control. Many of us have them in our homes and our offices. The remote control is a common infection hub. These germs are an ever-present risk to you, your family and colleagues. Next, let us look at the PC keyboard. Invariably, it is highly contaminated. Is it wise to allow this to happen? Clearly it's not. No one would suggest that you actively maintain a contamination hub, yet that's what we do. Having recognized that we have a problem with infection, we now have to find the solution to the problem, and the solution is Bacoban. Bacoban has been tested extensively, and as a result it is a fully certified Class 2A medical device. But what is most stunning about this technology is that not only does the Bacoban disinfect surfaces, but the Bacoban layer continues to create an anti-pathogen coating that lasts for up to 10 days. The Bacoban coating is a nanoscale layer. The majority of bacteria, fungi and viruses are killed within minutes of contacting the surface. Bacoban can be supplied in wipe, spray and atomized format. When using the Adexano atomizer, all surfaces become coated with an invisible eluting sponge layer. This layer immediately disinfects all the surfaces within a room and then continues to protect the surfaces for the next 10 days. The full sterilization of a room takes just a matter of minutes. The Bacoban coating protects surfaces against pathogens such as MRSA, C. difficile, Listeria, Salmonella, Ebola, hepatitis, avian flu, norovirus, HIV, SARS, and this is to name but a few of the pathogens against which it's effective. As we can see from the following text taken from German television, Bacoban has been independently and extensively tested in hospitals and public buildings throughout Europe. As a Class 2 medical device, Bacoban has many attributes, but perhaps most significantly it is easy to use and can be applied to almost all environments, including aircraft. There is little doubt that Bacoban will change how we protect our world against contamination. Bacoban.